Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to download and install the Cleo app. Now first, we're going to look at how to do that for iPhones, that's the iOS devices. What you got to do is to unlock your iPhone and then open the App Store. Once you're there, you're going to tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen, and then in the search bar you're going to type Cleo budget and save money. Once you have that in search, you're going to find the official app. You want to look for the Cleo logo, usually a blue purple circle with a speech bubble or a smiley. Once you find it, tap get or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. Now authenticate if prompted, of course Face ID, Touch ID or password, whatever it is, whatever method you've set, just go ahead and authenticate. And once installed, you want to tap open to launch the Cleo app. For Android users, what you got to do is to open the Google Play Store on your Android phone, and then you're going to tap the search bar at the bottom. Now just enter Cleo budget and save money and find the official app in the results. Tap on that, tap install, and once installation is complete, you tap open to launch the app. That's pretty much it. Simple and straightforward on how to get Cleo's app. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Like the video and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.